Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. So today is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing. This is a first time for this. It is something that I ordered from QVC. I do like to get things from QVC, makeup wise. And this is called QVC Beauty TILI. Try it, love it, 7-piece, and it's in auto delivery. So, and it's $20, and I don't remember how often they send it. I don't think it's monthly. I guess we'll find out. I'm pretty sure it's like every couple months, or maybe it's like, maybe it's seasonal. I'm not sure, but it's in a pretty big box. I mean, that's a pretty big size box, and it is, pretty heavy. That is the number for anybody that wants to order. If you were to go onto QVC, you would type in that number in the search bar. I don't think you have to go through the zeros, but up to that 3, and then it would show up. I do not remember what was in this because I ordered this a while ago. So without any further ado, we'll go ahead and get into it. I did just film my Jeffree Star unboxing video, and this is the lipstick one of the lipsticks that I got that I was super excited for, Scandal. I love it. It's so pretty. Anyway, that video should be up soon, or if not up already, go ahead and go watch that for me. That would be awesome. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what's in here. I'm kind of excited. Oh, it's nice packaging too. So if this is something that's really nice, I'll continue to get it because it's only $20. Look at how nice that box is. That's really pretty. Two-tone. Nice. What is it? Oh, it's got the TILI on it. It's really pretty. Nice, pretty, smooth green. I like that. And it doesn't want to open. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, aww. That's the inside. It's so pretty. I like it. The packaging to me is everything. That's what sells stuff. And then that's what it looks like when you open it up. Alright, nicely tight. Nothing looks like it could get broken. It's a lot of tissue paper. But that's okay, because it's keeping everything in order. Alright, so it comes with a little card. Well, paper, not a card. It's a paper. It has everything that's in here on it. Does it have prices? No, it doesn't look like it has prices, but it has the number of, like, the order number for everything that's in here. So this is the inside. Oh, stuff's fallen. The inside of the box. And we will just go from what I picked first. This is awesome. You'll see why I chose this. Now I'm kind of recalling a little bit what was in this box. Ooh. So this is Tarte. That's awesome. Let me open it up. You guys, I don't think you can. You might be able to see. I doubt it though. It does say it on there. It's just really hard to see it. So it is a little sample size. Now you can see it. I don't, Maracas, I know I'm not even going to try. Brightening eye treatment. I've seen a lot of people, oh, and it's full to the top. That's good. Oh, it smells good too. Oh, very soft. Rubs right in. I've been wanting to try this. All right, so the description says, and maybe it's not a description, it's just the ingredients. It is, it's just the ingredients of it, and then it gives you the name of the product, and then the number, there's the number right there, of where to order it. Alright, so Tarte, amazing. Great item to get in basically like a subscription box. I mean, it is kind of a subscription box. All right, the next thing I am seeing, and I've been wanting to try this as well, it is the IT Cleanser, which, Confidence in a Cleanser. I want to try their Confidence in a Cream as well, but I've heard a lot of good things about this. And it says gentle for all skin types, skin transforming, hydrating, cleansing serum. And let's see. All right, gently massage onto wet skin for 30 seconds every morning and evening. Rinse and pat dry. Skin is left feeling soft, nourished, and perfectly balanced. Follow with your favorite IT Cosmetics treatment for moisturizer. So now I finally get to try this, and then I can see if I want it in the bigger jar. It's actually a nice little sample too. That's, I mean, you can see the size of it. It is 0.6 fluid ounces, and it is sealed. There is a safety seal. All right, and it smells good. Well, it smells like a, I don't want to say a florally. It's kind of clear. You probably cannot see that. You can see like a little cream consistency. But like clear cream. Excited to try that. I wish I had prices for this. Like, I guess I probably should have done my homework and looked it up, but I didn't know. I forgot what was coming in this box. But for the next box, I'll do that. I'll make sure when I do order it, I'll write it down, write the prices down and all that stuff. Or actually, I'm on an auto delivery, so it's just going to come. So I'll have to keep my eye out for that. Anyway, the next item. I've never seen this. Glow on the Go Teeth Whitening Vial. V-I-A-L, vial. So that's what it looks like. I've never seen anything like that. How to use: pull off cap and squeeze small bead of gel onto brush tip. Brush thin layer on top and bottom teeth, fronts only. Gel foams, penetrates and evaporates. No rinsing necessary. Repeat up to 4 times per day. File stays fresh for 7 days after opening. Okay. So let's see what it actually looks like. Okay, that's kind of weird, but it looks like there's a good bit in there. That's interesting. Okay, so we'll try that out. That's I'm intrigued. All right, there are a couple more things in here. This one is kind of small, but that's okay. It is Julep Love Your Bare Face Hydrating Cleansing Oil. And I don't know if any of you have tried this Julep brand. It is, I don't know if they're probably not exclusive to QVC, but it is something that is sold there. When I used to work there, we would get this stuff in a lot. They do a lot of nail polishes and stuff. So this says to using dry hands, massage over dry face to dissolve makeup, dirt, and impurities. Rinse thoroughly for best results. Use with cognac sponge. Okay. 91% experience softer and more hydrated skin just after one use. 94% experienced no oily residue. That's, I mean, there's quite a bit in there. There's a couple uses anyway. I'm happy with this box. And it was only $2 to ship, so I cannot. Oh, another favorite of anybody that is a makeup geek, you know, and loves makeup will know what this is. This is Bare Minerals, a Gen Nude. So cool. My God, I'm super impressed. I'm like starting to think, did I even look at the products? I might not have, because I didn't want to see or spoil what it was that was coming. So I probably didn't look at it. I just ordered it. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look how cute it is. And it's the perfect color, because this is what I wear. Oh, and that's even better. It gives you all the shades. I don't know, yeah, you can see all the different shades that they have, and you can see they're all, the Gen Nude line is obviously, they're all the nude shades, and it gives you all the names of it. So if you like want to go buy one of these, you have all the shades right there. That's awesome. So the shade that I got, does it tell me? It should tell me somewhere. Okay. It should tell me somewhere. Okay, well, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't. Okay. It does not tell me my shade. It just literally says Bare Minerals Gen Nude. And that's all it says. But I'll go ahead and show you. I love these. Are nice liquid lipsticks too. I still have that cleanser on there. Let's put it on top of that. Yeah. All right. They're so creamy. And that is what it looks like. Something I definitely will be putting on my lips. I love the cute little tiny. I had a BH Cosmetics lipstick that like was a sample that came like this. It's so cute though. I love it. Great product. All right, next thing, another everybody would know and love, and this is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. There they are. I think these came in, I want to say it was the Sephora Play box. One of the boxes these past, last month or the month before it came in. And this helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten, alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. White pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. I don't know how many's in there. Oh, okay, there's 10. So you have 10 of them in here. That's a great way to test a product out. And I've heard a lot of good things about this. So I have one more item in my box. I am looking forward to the next one already. All right, so this is Perfect Formula, my favorite top coat, high gloss, fast drying. So it's just a top coat for a nail polish, but that's a full size. I mean, that's definitely a full size nail polish. So what do you guys think? For $20 and you have name brand products here. I mean, I have Bare Minerals, I have Tarte, I have It Cosmetics, I have First Aid Beauty, I have Julep, and this glow stuff, which I will have to do some research, but 7 items. Awesome. What do you guys think? Don't hesitate to leave a comment down there. Let me know if there's anything that you guys liked in the video you want to try out or any of that stuff. It really helps me if you leave a comment, negative comment, criticism comment, however, just leave me a comment. Let me know you watched it. Leave me a thumbs up. Thank you again so much for coming. As I tell you in every video, I am very thankful for anybody that watches my videos and helps me grow my channel. But I guess I will see you in my next video, and that will be coming right up. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.